Today, I will show you guys how to change your PCSX2 resolution. Now, all you have to do is simply click on settings and then go to your graphics section. Once you get to your graphics section, go to rendering. Now, rendering, you see internal resolution and you see graphics API. Now, this graphics API, it actually depends on how powerful your PC is and what graphics card your PC is using. So if you are using a very powerful gaming PC, go ahead and select your graphics card. But if you are using a regular PC that is not that powerful, just select automatic, then move to your internal resolution. On default, this is normally set to native PS2 default. This is what is going to be set to, and this is very low, which is going to make your graphics look very bad. So if you have a PC that is very good and very powerful, you can even increase it up to 4x, 5x or 6x, which is 4K graphics. But if you have a PC that is, a bit good but not that powerful, you can start with 1080px, which is 3x native. If you use this and you find out that it's not working fine for you, then come back here and change it to 2x native, which is 720px, and that is actually going to improve the graphics for you. After doing that, I will also advise you to also do this. So come to display, you are going to see your aspect ratio. Click on it and then set your aspect ratio to fit to Windows, because normally this is not going to be set to fit to Windows. That's why you normally observe that your game is not filling up the entire screen. So set it to fit to Windows, which is full screen, and then make sure you turn on apply widescreen patches. Once you've done all that, your game should be looking much more better. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 5,000 subscribers for a while now, and it have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.